Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. I've brought back the headgear for this video, and it will play a very important role, as you will soon find out. I was reading through comments and I was responding to them on my latest video, which was Monday Morning Motivation, episode 1. And I came across this one. It's from Christian Borg, and it says, "Hey, I don't know if you have already done this, but seeing as you are the shaving-related YouTube channel and have lots of experience, do you think you could shave by touch?" What? Okay. As in without a mirror and only feeling how much beard is left and where by touch. Would love to see you try it if possible. Greetings from Spain. Again, signed Christian Borg. Well, Christian, I think that's a freaking brilliant idea. I've thought about doing it many times, just never got around to it, and I think that your little comment suggestion is the impetus I need to try it. So the plan is, I could just close my eyes and shave, right? But I think I might be too tempted to peek every now and again, so I don't want to do that. What I will do is I'll perform a shave, I'll go a couple passes, and I'll cover my eyes with this bandana so you know that I'm not cheating. This is going to be fun. Hopefully this doesn't end badly for me. So what I'll do is I'll lather up. I'm going to make some shaving lather in my Shave Nation bowl. I'll use Proraso menthol and eucalyptus shaving cream in the tube right here. Very refreshing shaving cream. And I'll use a razor that's very popular to many. It's the razor that a lot of us gents started out with when we first started with a safety razor. The Merkur 34C. I'd say medium shaving razor. This is what I'll use. It's a 2-piece razor. So I'm just going to unscrew the knob at the bottom here, counterclockwise, separate it. 2 parts come apart. And I'm going to pop in a, you know what, feather blade right here. Here's the blade. So we'll get it over the post and the 2 pins, like so. And then drop the post right into the handle, tighten it down. You got to put a finger on there so it catches. Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. There's a look at the razor. Let's check that reveal. Looks perfect. Looks good on both sides. So this is the razor I'll use. Let's mix up a lather. Got some hot water. I'll drop my brush right in. This is the Shave Nation Patriot brush. Going right in there. Saturate those bristles and set that down for a minute. And like I said, Shave Nation bowl with the raised lather lines inside and the lather spot down at the bottom. I'm going to just remove the cap from this Proraso. Warm up the bowl in hot water. This ceramic, this stone, it's pretty heavy stone. It retains the heat pretty well. So we're just going to squirt a little bit right into the bottom here. Just coat that bottom area with the cream. And then we'll take the brush out of the cup. Shake off most of the water. Dump that out. We'll go right into this bowl and start lathering. We'll build up some lather first, and then I'll warm up my face and we'll get right to the shave. You can already smell the menthol and eucalyptus. You can see how quickly that lather comes up. Scoop that around, drive it back in. Again. Not even 30 seconds. I've got a lot of lather there. Look at that. Clouds of lather. Very nice. Got it on my fingers as well. We'll set that down. I'm going to warm up my face. We'll get this party started. You can see I've got about a day and a half worth of beard growth here. So let's see how this works out. As I said, hopefully this doesn't come to a tragic end. Got nice lather, really nice. Let's lather up. Proraso Excellent Shaving Cream and Shaving Soap. This is the cream in the tube. The soap comes in a jar. It's been around since 1926. From Italy. Good stuff. Very refreshing. Really nice wake-up call in the morning. Plenty of lather. Little figure eight, smooth it out. All right, let's clear those runways. So, does it matter? Can't see the sideburns anyway, right? Okay, the moment of truth. Here we go. I'm going to pull these down, cover my eyes, and we'll see what happens. All right, here we go. I'm going to start on the right side, just like I normally do. I think the bandana is going to be my guide. I know that my ear right here is normally where my sideburn ends, so it feels like it's pretty even right there. Okay, just as I usually do, perpendicular and tilt slightly upward. Stretching my skin just by doing this. Okay, now the left side. With your eyes closed, you really can get a lot more feedback from the razor, the sound of it. All right, feels pretty good. Let's get that mustache area. I don't know how much cream is left on here, but I'm going to come in from the bottom. I don't want to come in from the top and slice my nose, so I'm going to sneak in here from the bottom. Very good. I think I'm pretty clean. Let's check it out. Let's see what that feels like. Pretty smooth. Not bad. I think I did pretty good on that first pass. Okay. Let's see if we can lather too without taking off the blindfold. Here we go. Wait, where's that brush? Here we go. All right. Oh, it feels really cool now. With that first layer of beard gone. Super cool. Very refreshing. And with your eyes closed, it does really, the other senses kind of kick in and increase. Sure, I'm getting it on my ear and my bandana and everywhere else, but it's okay. All right. Okay, first pass was with the grain. Now I will go across the grain, starting at my ear, like I normally do. There's the bandana, there's the top part of my ear, so right across. Okay, now this way. Seems pretty good. I'm going to rinse that. Feels good. Feels pretty smooth. Now the mustache. This is a little tricky coming in under the nose. Just slightly by feel. Getting the corner underneath there. Don't want to clip the nose. I can feel it just under the nose, the edge of the razor. Clean up around the mouth. Okay, let's rinse. Hot water, then cold water. Dry off the fingers. All right, the big reveal. Let's see what it looks like. Whoa, it's bright. Hey, not bad. Look at that. Pretty close to the sideburns on both sides. Nice and smooth. Let's get the Shave Nation alum block, the wide stick. Wet it under the cold water. And glide that around. Excellent finish to the shave. Just let that alum soak in for about 30 seconds and we'll rinse that off. Cold water rinse. Pat the face dry. We'll stick with the Proraso Aloe and Vitamin E Protective. Puts a nice layer of, invisible layer of protection. Great for winter use. There you go. Check it out. Not bad at all. Nice and smooth. 2 passes. Blindfolded. Not looking. Not peeking. The 34C. Excellent razor. Like I said, a mild to medium shaving razor. Excellent for everyday use. If you shave every day, it'll be a fantastic razor for you. I call this razor the workhorse of the industry. It's one of the most popular razors out there. Made in Germany. So a thank you to Christian for the suggestion, and I was happy to try that out. Something different, kind of interesting, and fun. All I can say is don't try this at home, kids. Unless you're a seasoned veteran, you might want to give it a whirl. But other than that, if you can see. Look and be careful and watch what you're doing and enjoy your shave. And thank you, Christian, for the request. And I was happy to accommodate, and it worked out quite well. No animals were injured during the filming of this video. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day.